restaurant owner or manager, or you're in hospitality and you want to know how to protect your employees in case of an ICE raid, share this video, save it. Let's talk. First, stay calm and professional. Don't panic or create chaos. You need to politely ask the ICE agents for their identification, ask them why they are there, and ask to see their badges. 2, verify if they have a warrant. Ask to see it and make sure it is a judicial, not an administrative warrant. You can look online for the difference. A judicial warrant is signed by a judge. Administrative warrants are signed by ICE officials and are not sufficient. Verify that that warrant specifies your location, your restaurant, your specific location. If it does not, you are not obligated to grant access to non-public areas of your establishment. 3, limit access to those non-public areas. If ICE does not have that warrant, then you can politely deny access to areas of your restaurant or establishment that are not open to the public, such as the kitchen, office, or storage areas, and just clearly and calmly state you are not authorized to enter this area without a judicial warrant. Next, notify your counsel immediately. You should have an immigration attorney kind of on speed dial who can then provide you with real-time guidance. You should have a designated manager or point person to do this in case you are not available. In terms of appointing somebody, you also need to appoint somebody to document everything. Assign someone to observe and document the interaction with ICE, including names and badge numbers of the agents, details of any documents that they provide to you, date, time, obviously, and location of the incident, and any further actions that they take, including searches conducted or detentions of people. Use a phone or a camera to record the interaction if it's safe to do so. Don't interfere. You cannot physically block or interfere with ICE agents. That can result in legal consequences for you, but you can politely and firmly assert your rights and those of your employees. Don't provide any additional information. ICE agents may try to gather information about your employees or your operations. You are not legally required to answer their questions beyond basic business-related inquiries, such as your name and your role as the manager. Don't voluntarily share employee records unless they present a subpoena or a judicial warrant. Inform employees of their rights. Don't compel employees to speak with ICE agents, and remind them of their right to remain silent and not answer questions. Remind them of their right to refuse to sign documents without consulting with a lawyer, and also remind them that they can leave if they are not being detained. Afterwards, contact advocacy organizations. Immediately notify these local immigrant advocacy groups or community organizations for support who might have rapid response teams on hand. So, I hope this helps. Again, share, save if you are in the restaurant or hospitality business, or you are an owner or a manager of one.